friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you with my exclusive collections of the Coneheads from the Earthrise War for Cybertron, friends. And I have here three figures. One is Sandstorm Decepticon Conehead here, and two more figures inside Ramjet and Dirge, friends. And I'll be showing you the figure, the transformation to the aircraft mode, and definitely you guys will enjoy. Keep continue liking my YouTube channel, and do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and like. Thank you, friends. Let's get started. Friends, we have another Conehead here. It's called Trust, from the series War for Cybertron Earthrise. So today I'll be sharing with you altogether 4 figures of Coneheads. Here you have the earlier I showed you, and the other 2 guys earlier I showed you, and this is the new one, which is called Trust, from the Earthrise War for Cybertron series. Let's unbox all of them and check out the figures, friends. Friends, and welcome back again, and today I'm going to share with you my first figure for Coneheads. It's called Decepticon Sandstorm. It's a beautiful figure, repainted, and the mold looks super nice, friends. Can you see the painting? Once it transforms into the aircraft mode, it will look super nice, friends. If you watch the cartoons of Transformers, you can see Sandstorm. And this figure is super awesome, the coloring is super nice. Definitely you guys should own this figure, friends. And let's not waste time, let's transform him first and check out. And friends, the next figure we are looking at is Decepticon. We call him Ramjet. And friends, the color scheme is super nice, white and black, looks like cartoon accurate. And they are from the Earthrise War for Cybertron series Netflix. They look super cool, friends. The detailing, the effect, the posability looks super awesome, friends. Definitely you should own him, and you will definitely like him. And there's one more figure to come, which is Dirge, and I'll be showing you the robot mode right now, friends. And the next figure, the second one I'm showing you now, is Conehead as well. It's called Trust, and this guy looks super awesome. The scene demo with the earlier Sandstorm, the colors looks super nice. The articulation is super cool. The posability is very nice. Definitely you guys should own him, friends. He looks super cool and super fun to pose as well. And friends, shortly I'll be transforming him as well, and you guys can check it out. And let's check out the other 2 more of them, Dirge and Ramjet, in robot mode, friends. Friends, the final figure I bring to you is a Decepticon Dirge, friends. It looks cool as well, blue and black in color, and I love this color scheme. And it looks cartoon accurate kind of color scheme. The detailing on it, it looks super cool. The Decepticon logo on it, and posability wise is super nice. And I think all 4 of them, I prefer the black and blue color, which is a Dirge right here. And you can, I think you guys will love either one of him, and it's your choice, friends. And I'll be transforming all 4 of them into the aircraft mode, and you can compare yourselves from the picture and video, and you can check out, friends. Let's get started, friends. And friends, I feel like these are one of the best Coneheads figures you guys should collect, buy and purchase. All four of them looks super awesome and super detailed and super cool. If you do not own a Masterpiece MP, you can purchase these figures, Earthrise, War 4 Cybertron. I feel like I'm loving all these figures. And let's transform all four of them and check out. Friends, here we have Dirge in the aircraft mode. Looks super cool, friends. The gold color wings, the Decepticon logo, the blue color skin, and this aircraft mode looks super awesome, friends. It looks super detailed, and friends, you will definitely enjoy this figure. Definitely right at the back, lower back detailing super cool. The color effect is super awesome, friends. Definitely you should own him. Dirge from Earthrise, War 4 Cybertron. We have 3 more to transform: Ramjet, Dirge, and Sandstorm. Let's transform and check out, friends. Friends, after transforming Ramjet from robot mode to the aircraft mode, it looks awesome, friends. White and red in color, and also the black scheme on the detailing, super cool. The Decepticon logo both sides, the afterburners, the weapons, the cockpit looks super cool, friends. Definitely you should own him. If you prefer Ramjet, friends, the underneath looks super nice. The Decepticon emblem is on the both of the wings, if you can see, and the detailing is super good. The color effect, the transformation, everything. He's giving you step-by-step transformation, about 23 steps. Definitely you guys will enjoy. I do not show you the transformation because I want you to hands-on yourself the transformation, and that's the use of the transformation card, friends. And next we have Trust and also Sandstorm to be transformed, and I hope you like this figure, friends, and I'm loving this, friends. And friends, the final figure from robot mode to the aircraft carrier mode. This is the Decepticon Sandstorm, friends. The effect on it, the detailing, the coloring looks super awesome. The Decepticon logo left and right, the cockpit, and this detail, I love it most. It looks super naughty. And friends, the effects, the afterburners, the weapon system, everything is super cool, friends. Super detailed, and this is an awesome figure, friends. You guys should definitely own this figure. It's called Sandstorm, and the weathering effect kind of detail on top of it. The coloring is very nice. It's kind of a 3D kind of details, friends, and it's very cool, friends. And friends, I hope you enjoyed today all the 4 Coneheads Decepticon figure from robot mode to the aircraft mode I transformed and showed to you. And please continue to like my YouTube channel, Dry G World Dry. Subscribe, hit the like button and notification bell. And till again we meet, I will be coming up with my another video with more Earthrise collection, War 4 Cybertron series. Good day, bye bye. And friends, here we have Trust in hand after transformation from the robot mode into the aircraft mode. Wow, friends, stunning red and black with the cockpit, and you can see the turbine for the aircraft jet carrier. Left and right looks super nice with the rotating kind of blade effect, Decepticon logo on the wings, the truss, the weapons, everything looks super cool, friends. The Decepticon logo, the weapon system. Friends, if you like this figure, Trust, you should own him. He looks super awesome. The transformation is very easy, about 20 to 23 steps, step by step with the carded transformation there is, and you will definitely enjoy this figure, Trust. And one more figure to go, which is Sandstorm, friends.